All right, class, it's Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. It's about what? 2:15. We just finished our meeting, and I'm gonna do this before I leave. So I hope you guys get to see this. Tell your friends, hey, Mr. Anda put up the YouTube video. So here we go. All right. Homer the Hungry Hippo. Oh, yeah, I am Homer the Hungry Hippo, and I'm munching on these little lily pads in my pond. And when I got to the pond, there were 30 lily pads. And guess what? I can eat 5 lily pads an hour. Remember, 5. I can eat 5 an hour.
I am Henrietta. Henrietta the hungrier hippo. I'm hungrier than Homer the hungry hippo. And guess what? I went to a better pond with 38 lily pads.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and I could eat 7 lily pads per hour.
Oh, really? Well, why don't we try to find out at what point, at how much time will it take for us to both have eaten the same amount of lily pads, not even eaten, but have the same amount of lily pads in our pond.
Oh yeah, then what do?
Well, let's do it. You guys know how to do this? So we have Homer the hungrier hippo, and we have Henrietta. So remember, we're going to go ahead and find what the x and the y, the variables, mean. But let's go ahead and identify, or not even identify, but let's look at this. Let's look at the word problem. What does it say? Right? It says that you have, who's the first one? Homer. So why don't we write Homer? Okay? So go ahead and write Homer right now. Okay? Because today's lessons will be about Bruno Mars. All right? So let's go ahead. Write Homer. Write your X and your Y. Write Homer and who? Henrietta.
Oh, her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining.
There you go.
Her hair.
You guys got that? Homer and Henrietta.
She's so beautiful.
So then, with Homer, it mentions that he went to a pond. Yeah, I went to a pond, and there were 30 lily pads. That's my starting point. They were there. I know they were there. So let's go ahead and write y equals mx plus b. Because you have a starting point. And your starting point is what? Oh, it's 30 lily pads. So we're going to write b. The starting point, the figure 0. The starting point will have 30. All right? And then I could eat. Well, what's eating? Are you adding to the 30 or are you subtracting when you're eating? Oh, good question. Subtracting. Very good. So the growth is not actually a growth. You're decreasing. So you're eating some lily pads from the pond, so you're going to have less. That's right. So my equation is y equals negative 5x plus 30. Correct. How about you, Henrietta?
Well, let me see. I'm hungrier than Homer.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Okay, well, go ahead. Do the equation.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and write y equals mx plus b.
All right.
And it says that I found a better pond, but it had 38 lily pads. That's my starting point.
Okay, there's your starting point, SP. So you're going to write what?
I'm going to write 38. Let me do it.
Okay, go ahead.
And since I'm eating 7 lily pads per hour, I'm going to write y equals 7 per hour. Per hour. So my x is the number of hours.
Oh, that's pretty good. Yep, see? They are both right. So the equation here indicates that there's 30 lily pads, but you're decreasing by 5 each what? Hour, because x is your number of hours. And Henrietta, you're decreasing. Oh, you're eating. So that should be what?
Oh, I'm sorry. That should be negative 7x. Sorry, Mr. Randa.
No problem, no problem. So let's go ahead and do this. All right. So what does y? What do the y represents when we do our x, y axes? All right. What does the scale represent? Well, my x is here, my y is here. What are all these numbers going to represent? Well, if you look, we already have the number hours, and what are they talking about? Oh,
I know.
okay, Henrietta, what is it?
Number of lily pads.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Number of lily pads. But actually, it's the total number of lily pads.
Yes, Homer. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, you guys are both right. Good job, you guys. Oh, yeah. Ooh. All right, let's go ahead. Let's do your XY table. Set it up. Here we go. Set it up. Set it up. Got it? Keep going. 56. All right, here we go. So now we're going to go ahead and do the table. And if we start with 0 hours, what are you going to have? Well, there were already 30, so no hours. There's still 30 because I haven't eaten anything. That's right. So then each hour, what are you doing? Oh, I'm decreasing by 5. So then I'm going to have 30 take away 5 is 25. 25 take away 5 is 20. 20 take away 5 is 15. 10, 5, 0. No.
Okay, I could do that too.
Well, go ahead and do it.
Okay, I started with 38. And every hour, because X represents the hour, 1 hour I take away 7. For every 1 hour. So I get 31. And then 31 take away 7, 25. And 25 take away 7 is 18. And 18 take away 7 is what?
Well, what is it?
7. No, wait, hold on. I did something wrong. This is 24.
Oh, okay. Yep, that's 24.
And this one is 17. Sorry. I didn't use my calculator.
All right, then what? Then this one is what?
10.
Then what?
3.
And so forth, right? So at what point, okay, so now at how many hours, they have to have the same hours. At what time did they have the same amount of lily pads in their pond? Well, look, they have to have the same amount. All right, we have 10, 10, and they both would meet at 4 hours. So that should be your answer when you do your equation. So let's go ahead and set it up. Let's set it up. You guys got it? So let's write it here. In 4 hours, they both will have 10 lily pads in their pond. Come on. Yeah. All right, so now here's my x, right? So what do my x's represent? My x represents, I have it right here, the number of hours. So write number of hours. What do my y's represent? Right here. Right here, so write it. Total number of lily pads. There you go. So let's spread it out. Spread it out. We know that we're going to have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the x-axis. So I'm going to skip a line. Here we go. Ready? So skip a line. 1. Skip a line. 2. Skip a line. 3. Skip a line. 4. Skip a line. 5. Skip a line. 6. Skip a line. 7. Got it? Alright, here we got up to 30. 38. So let's just go by ones. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. No. So let's go up by 2. Oh! Up by 2. Go. 4, 6, 8, 10. Do it. Come on. Hurry up. Up to 38. Up to 40. Stop. No, not yet. All right, there we go. Stop. Stop. All right, let's count it. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. All right, good. All right, so let's go ahead and graph the first one. Let's graph Homer. All right, let's go ahead and graph mine. All right, let's do this. So how do we do this? Ready? Just look at this. So we got 0 and then 30. 0 and then 30. Right here. There's 0, 30. And then the first hour, he had 25 because he ate. Make sure it's straight. He ate 5 lily pads. Second hour, he had 20. Here's your second hour. And go straight up, straight up, straight. And he had 20. Third hour, he had 15. So here we go, go, go. 15 is right in the middle. Right there. Fourth hour, he had 10. Right there. Fifth hour, he had 5. 5 is right there. Sixth hour, he had 0. They were all gone. So right there. So let's go ahead and draw that. Do I have a ruler? No, I don't have a ruler. But I have a little folder, so that's fine. So this is my blue. Right there, it's going down. Okay? And this one is Homer. So write Homer. And the equation is y equals negative 5x plus 30. There you go. Got it? All right, let's do Henrietta.
Yeah, it's my turn! Let's do this one! Here we go! 0, 38! 0, 38! Right there! 1, 31! 1, 31! Right there! Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Why?
31.
2, 24! 2, 24! Right there!
Very good.
3, 17!
And 5, 3. And we're done. Here we go. You draw the line. Going down. That's it. Whose line is this one? This is Henrietta. So go ahead and write Henrietta. Hello, hello. I'm recording myself. Henrietta, y is equal to what? Negative 7x plus 38. There are your two equations. So where are they going to have the same amount of lily pads and at what exact number of hours? Right here. Point of intersection. So what's my point of intersection? What is it? What is it? Come on. Yeah, look at it. 4 hours. So your x comma y. Your 4 hours every day. And 10 lily pads. There you go. Zoom in. This is the way I want to see your work. Very simple. Beautiful. Look at that. That's what I say. When I see good work. There's a big smile that I get on my face. You guys are all amazing. You guys could do this. Alright, there you go. That's it. That was your homework. Peace. Take care. Adios. We'll see you guys Thursday.